Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you that after doing Tally integration, suppose accidentally or by mistake any invoice from Tally got deleted or edited, and in order to correct it, you want to again do Tally integration. How you can do it? So first of all, let us go to our Tally integration module. On your left hand side, you will see Tally integration. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in Tally integration module, please check the two invoices which we integrated earlier are in completed segment. Now from here completed segment, you may not be able to go ahead and generate the report and then after integrate it in Tally. So what you need to do, you need to select both of the invoice. After that, on your right hand side you will see option of bulk approval. Click on this. Now here you need to click on selected invoice. Here this screen again will get displayed. This is the screen which you get while approving the invoice while ledger mapping. Now here it will ask you that in which stage you want to move, pending, approved. So as because my ledger have been mapped, I just need to download the report and integrate it again. So I will click on approve. Going below, I will just select the second invoice and click on approve. Then I will click on submit. So once you will click on submit, please check. It will provide you a tick mark that on which stage it will get moved. So click on submit, and then after both of the invoice will come in approved segment. Now you can go to Tally reports, and then after downloading the sales register extension, you can integrate it again. So I hope this particular video will be helpful to you uh, in order to go ahead and do the integration again by moving invoices from completed to approved. Have a good day ahead.